Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to explain some of the advantages of trading in crude oil. So first advantage is it is very good for those people who are going to a 9 to 6 job. They can do trading as a part time after the working time also, because crude oil market, crude oil trading is opened for almost night 11:30 p.m. So after 6 p.m. Also you can trade peacefully in crude oil, because after 6 p.m. only the volume will pick up and the crude oil will give good movements also. Nowadays our Indian markets are highly manipulated and operated, but in case of crude oil is a globally traded instrument. It is moving according to the supply and demand only, and also the fundamental news only. So it is not easy to manipulate crude oil, and crude oil can give daily minimum 2 to 3% trend movement on either side. So as a trend follower, as a option buyer, we can expect a 2 to 3% average movement in crude oil. So we can easily gain some good points in crude oil, and then we can use crude oil trading for diversification also. If you are trading in equity market, you can trade in crude oil by using scalping or intraday or positional strategies in the evening time. So if you have money, you can diversify some money for equity market also and some money for crude oil also. In crude oil also we can diversify into 3 strategies also. One is scalping, and another is intraday, and the another is positional strategies. I am teaching these 3 strategies for crude oil trading also. So those who want to learn these crude oil strategies, those who are interested, please contact my WhatsApp number or check the link in description below. In crude oil trading, only monthly expiry only in futures and options segment. Because of this monthly expiry contract, there is less premium decay only, so we can do option buying in crude oil. It is advisable to avoid last 2 days to the expiry date. So I am using only the US oil chart only to trade in MCX crude oil. I am not using the MCX crude oil chart. I am only using the US oil chart only to trade in crude oil. If we will have any idea to trade in US market, it is more useful for those people who practice and trade in US market, US oil also directly, because we are trading by using the US oil chart only. So in the future, if we are planning to do in US market trading, it is more useful for you. Crude oil can move minimum 120 to 250 points each and every day. Minimum it will give 2% to 3% movement on either side. So we can trade easily to capture some points in any one of the trending direction. So using one lot option trading in crude oil also, we can earn some daily expenses by using small capital in crude oil. So it is more useful for those who want to earn some small money for their daily expenses with a small capital. So in this video, I hope I explained all the advantages and why I have more focus in crude oil trading in this video. So we will see in the next video, guys. Thank you.